Morning, everyone. It's 8:33 on Tuesday, first day of a holiday shortened week, and hope everyone had a good long weekend. Okay, so stock futures were up about 220. Uh, and in point of fact came all the way back down to 170, right back up to 225. Last is up 180 in the Dow. Nasdaq went from up 51 to up 76, and S&P from up 21 to currently up 28. Asia and Asia is mixed. Europe is slightly higher. The Gazprom closure of the Nord Stream 1 is continuing, now listed as indefinite. This is obviously the Russians trying to cause as much pain as they can, and they want the sanctions rolled back. OPEC Plus had a meeting yesterday. Evidently, it was a bit of a disappointment. They did cut 100,000 barrels a day, but the chart on the screen is the oil, and all day yesterday and the night before, Sunday night, oil was up over $90. Right now, it's trading 86.89, which is up a couple of pennies, but a very disappointing turn of events. The UK has a new prime minister, and she is a conservative. It looks like she's going to try and push through some caps on utility bills. The UK is actually in worse shape. They don't have as much storage capacity as Germany has, although Germany has never relied on just that storage. It's been the storage plus a steady flow. So we'll have to see how that looks. CVS buying Signify, SGFY, looks like about $8 billion. It's a cash deal for 30 and a half. And actually, Signify is not up much, but you have to remember that this stock was substantially higher. It has moved from 1680 at the beginning of last month to 2988. So a good deal of this is already in the price. And if you recall, there were several companies, I think including Amazon, who were interested in Signify. DWAC, this is Trump's Truth Social SPAC, and it looks like the deal is not being supported. The stock is 1935 down 564 or 23%. Let's remember that this stock on the announcement of the deal went from 10 to 50 to 175 in October of last year. That high now looks pretty unbelievable. Actually, on the chart, it looked pretty unbelievable then. I'm not sure if this is a Trump thing about losing power and people not wanting to be involved, or a SPAC thing, which is everyone painted with the same brush. Volkswagen going to do an IPO on Porsche. Looks like about 84 billion as a market value for the company. Best Buy, sorry, not Best Buy, Bed Bath and Beyond. By now, I'm sure you know that the CFO took a nosedive off his building on Friday afternoon. The stock has traded as low as 646 this morning. Last is 728. That's down $1.35, so that's not inconsequential. ISEE, IC, that's Ivernic. It's a biopharma company. It closed at 944. The high was 1448 several months ago. The all-time high was about $80, and there is no reverse split in this, so this is just its actual pricing. Traded as high as 1431, so coming pretty close to that high from last year. Last is 1255, up 311 or 33%. So no economic news this morning of import. As I said, Dow now up 183 and a half, Nasdaq falling back a bit to up 59, and the S&P is still hanging around up 24. Okay, let's take a quick look at the futures. Corn up, soybean complex down, wheat up, oats up, rice up, and canola down. As I said before, the crude is now up 7 cents. What's interesting here is, we were a gasoline problem. In Europe and the UK, they're a nat gas and heating oil problem. Heating oil is up another nickel today at up 363 and a half. Gasoline is up minorly. That gas is down 28 cents. Looks like we're going to get a test of a little lower. Gold is up $1. Silver's up 30 cents. Let's see. And the dollar is up another 42 cents. It looks like it's going to go through 110. The high is 109.97. Bitcoin up 85. Ethereum up substantially more. 85 on Bitcoin is less than 1%, I believe. Up a 0.5%, 0.43, whereas Ethereum is up 134 and a half right now, and that is 8.76%. Ethereum also didn't close near a low. It closed, up on the week, and now we're 1661. That's substantially higher and a lot more constructive than Bitcoin. And one last look, the bonds are down a point. All right, everyone. Have a good day. I'll be back.